Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare for the CBSE 12th standard board examinations. So CBSE 12th standard board examinations are the most important examinations for a student, for a school life student who is going to leave their school and going to a college or university. So marks of the CBSE 12th standard board are the most important thing in a life of a school student. So he gives his best to score good, because according to their score they will get merit list, they will get their college according to their numbers. So the 12th the 12th standard examinations of CBSE board is the most important part of our CBSE school student have, because according to the marks he scored in that exam, he is going to get the university, the colleges, and the basically for his further studies. According to his grades, his marks in 12th standard, he will be getting the admissions on that colleges and universities depending on their scores and the grades that they score in CBSE 12th standard. So we have arts stream in 12th standard. For board examinations we have BCom stream, that is Bachelor of Commerce stream. If a student from commerce, if he has taken commerce in his 11th and 12th standard, then he can do BCom for his further studies, and he can go to good universities in the country or outside of the country according to his scores. So third, there is a medical and non-medical stream that we call science stream. So in 12th standard I also have pursued a science stream, and I was a student of non-medical stuff, what we say. So what happened in the 12th standard, that I was very eager that how I will be preparing for the stuff. I was very fascinated with the chapters in the science, that I come to know about the universe, I come to know about the physics, I come to know about the maths, I come to know about the things that persist in this world, how they impact, what is a proton, what is an electron, what is an atom. So basically the 11th and 12th standards are the best years of my life period, because in that time period I come to know about the many good things, many mind blowing things that I have never known about. So the 11th and 10th standards were the best time period of my life. So today I will be telling you how to prepare for the examination of 12th standard CBSE board, that is of any stream, that is of arts, commerce, or non-medical or medical. So what do you have to do? Well, you have to firstly revise. You have to revise all your NCRT part. You have to revise each and every important thing, each and every important diagram, each and every questions. Basically I'm saying NCRT is the most important books from where the examiners put their questions, maximum of questions from that book only. We can say 100% of the things comes from the NCERT only, not the things that comes outside of the NCERT is very rare. It's a once in a blue moon type of thing. So I suggest you all that you should prepare the NCERT best. It should be in your fingertips. You don't have to go for Pradeep and things like that. Only prepare the NCERT stuff. That is the what we say. That is only thing you have to do. Don't go for Pradeep and things like that. If you go for Pradeep, and there will be lots of stuff to study, and you also not like to study much. Basically, there is a quote that you should keep your study material as minimum as required, because as minimum as you put your study material, it is easy to use study from that, because if you pile of books, then your mind will also say that no, I will not do that. If there is a little stuff to study, then it is very interesting, the main points, the main stuff. So you should make your notes accordingly, and you should not keep them maximum study material. You should keep your study material. What I mean by study material, I mean that the studies you have done for the whole year of 12th standard, you should make the notes of each and every chapter, each and every important thing from them, and keep it crisp and small, so that at the time of examination you read it and the thing get brushed up in your mind, and you come to know, oh, that thing was that, and yes, I know about this thing. So keeping the study material as low as you can helps a lot. So after after brushing up your notes, what you can do, you can purchase the previous year examination question answers that comes around 250 or 200 rupees. A book, there is near about 12 to 15 sample papers for each subject, so you should buy a book of previous year's question answers. That is the main thing to do before going to the examination hall. So what you have to do is you have to firstly go through the first sample paper. How you have to prepare? You have to see the question and write your answer in a notebook, that is rough notebook. So don't have to see the answers. So you have seen the first question, you have written that question in your rough notebook, and only you have to go for other questions, and after solving all the questions from the first sample paper, what you can do, you can come to the first question of that sample paper and recheck that question and recheck the answers, which things you have missed, which stuff you have to write, which sentence is the most important stuff to be written in this answer. So accordingly you can give marks to you. While giving marks, you should be a teacher. You should see like that you are checking the answer sheet of another student. You are checking the answer sheet of a student. So accordingly and honestly you should provide the scores to that student, that is you only. So after giving the score for your whole sample paper that you have solved, that is your first sample paper, add that and what the score becomes, give that score to you. First, for first sample paper it is little uh, it is little uh, it is little depressing, or it is little depressing that you score very less. If you have not prepared that well, if you are prepared and score well, and you have scored well, then it is very good. You are starting from the first sample paper only, getting good marks. If you have not scored that much good, according to you, you are not scoring well, then you don't have to be depressed. You have to only revise the things that you have missed. Okay, you have missed that I should write this thing in that answer, but I have not written that. So you have you have to see that points and try to uh, add that points in your next answer. So accordingly you can improve yourself and see and revise the things that you have not written on that answer of that particular question that you have solved. So accordingly and solving sample paper one by another, you can make yourself more perfect in solving the questions or sample papers, and this will help in the examination hall to you and make you more confident while solving the question paper. So that is all how to prepare for how to practice, how to prepare for 12th standard CBSE board examinations. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's meet in next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.